Welcome to day 5 and the final day of the GB EV Rally. And what a great week it's been so far. I'm EV Keith, otherwise known more normally as Keith Freeman from Drivetech, driver training partner to the GB EV Rally. Today, our last day together, I'm even in danger of getting a little bit more emotional. I wanted to provide a summary of some of the points I've made during the week. On day 1, I talked about journey planning, and I reiterate here the need to pre-plan your journey before you even set foot in the vehicle. On an event such as this, the night before, know where you're going, where you intend to stop for charging, rest and refreshment, and note other waypoints along the way to make sure you know you're on the right track. And don't forget the tyres. The importance of correct pressures are absolutely essential to getting the range out of your vehicle. On day 2, we covered EV charging, when, where and how. Whilst on this rally we have only used public charging points, optimising your time and cost, home or work charging is going to be your best friend. On day 3, we emphasise driving style. Make use of the regenerative mode to maximise the charge going back into your battery as you're slowing down using one pedal control. Consider the benefits you're going to get from smooth acceleration and gentle braking. On day 4, we covered coast, concentration, observation, anticipation, space and time. It is a professional driving acronym that has made driving safe and economical for all of us. We started on Monday at the tip of Great Britain, John O'Groats, and now we can see Land's End in our sights. Again, the van and car teams will share the route, so enjoy our visit to Wales before we head down to Cornwall, our final endpoint, and a fitting location to celebrate what I know will have been a momentous week. It just leaves me to say thanks for your company along the way. Drive safely and see you at the finish.